I am Pragya Goyal and I am representing Team AI Hulks. Who spoke when? So, the problem we are solving is speak diarization. It is a process of partitioning an audio stream with multiple people into homogeneous segments associated with each people. It is an important part of speak recognition system and a well-known open problem. Speak diarization has applications in many important scenarios, such as understanding medical conversation, helping call center transcription, and meeting transcription. Speak diarization is a developing field of study with new approaches being published on a frequent basis. So, the problem is all about separating out the speakers out of this audio as an individual segments. Why did we choose this problem? Because not many studies have been performed for estimating a large number of speakers. Diarization becomes extremely difficult when the number of speakers are huge or when they speak simultaneously. Providing the number of speakers to diarization system can be advantageous. The solution that we are proposing here is using machine learning technique to estimate out the number of speakers in an audio and their individual timestamps. Recognizing the number of speakers in an audio, thus assisting the speak diarization of an audio with many speakers. This is the pipeline that we are using. So, denoising speech separation is used as a pre-processing step. YAMNet sound classification model is used to extract out the features from the audio file. Then those features are inputted in the machine learning model to estimate out the number of speakers in that model and their timestamps. We have limited the scope of this solution to single dataset for training the model. Number of speakers that we are identifying are limited to 3 only. The dataset that we have used here is VoxConverse. It is an audiovisual diarization dataset consisting of over 50 hours of multi-speaker clips of human speech. Now we have created a dataset of 3 classes only based on the number of speakers in audio files. The pre-processing step is done with the help of spectral gating method for denoising the signal, computing a signal spectrogram and predicting a noise threshold for each frequency band. A voice activity detector is used for separating out the speech and the non-speech part out of that audio. When we talk about YAMNet model, it is a pre-trained acoustic detection model. It takes a audio waveform as an input and makes an independent prediction. It converts the wave data into number of feeds to the pre-trained model. The model gives us the scores, the feature representation of the model, and the spectrogram as an output. Now we would use this embeddings we received from YAMNet model as an input to the next model, that is speaker counting model. So for speaker counting model, we are using random forest classifier model. Classifier is trained using whatever we get an output from YAMNet model. This model is a multi-level classification. Initially for level 1, it predicts whether the signal is single class or multi-class. Now if a signal is a multi-class, again it is taken as an input to a level 2 and it will predict whether it is a two speaker audio or multi-speaker audio. So this is the model evaluation of our solution. The left side tells us the two-level approach that we have used. The right side tells us the evaluation on the VoxConverse dataset for both of the levels. As a complete solution, we have developed a web app which will help the user to insert the audio and predicts the number of speakers it has and the timestamp of those individual speakers. On the screen on the left side, it represents the graph of a middleware that we are using between the web app and the machine learning model. the traffic on that API. The right side image tells us, shows the web application that we have developed, which we will see in a minute. These are the results that we have received from the model. So the third line says the number of speaker in that particular audio, and the next line tells us the timestamp of those individuals across the audio. So what is in the future? We will try to include more number of classes in speaker counting model, improving on to get accurate timestamp of each speakers. We can use this information for speech transcription of those speakers. Also, the major improvement we are planning to do is finding out the context of the conversation held in the audio and help in a particular domain. For example, crime investigation. Suppose if we could find out who the criminal is and who the victim is out of that audio, it would be really helpful for the team, for the crime investigation team. Special thanks to Oracle team for helping us out with all the deployments needed for our solution. Thank you Hackmakers for organizing this hackathon, which has helped us all to come together from different countries and work on this thought-provoking initiative. We have a very talented team. Thank you. Let us see the web app that we have developed. So this is the web app that we are planning to integrate with the model. The work is still in progress, but the model is ready. We have the integration part between the model and this web app is still in progress. So what a user can do is select a file out of from here and then process it, and it will get as a result the number of speakers in this audio file and the timestamp also. Thank you.